Tired of your Samsung TV's Wi-Fi woes? Let's get your connection back on track in a flash. First, grab your Samsung TV remote. We'll be using it for everything. Now, locate and press the settings button on your remote. It looks like a cogwheel, a gear, or 3 horizontal lines depending on your model. Your TV will then display the settings menu. Within the settings menu, you'll need to find the general or network options on your TV. Use the navigation arrows on your remote to scroll through the options. Typically, network relates to internet settings. Select that setting and press OK or the center button. Inside the network settings, look for an option such as network settings, network status, or reset network settings. The terminology may vary depending on your TV's software, but the goal is to find an area dealing with network configuration. Select this option and press OK. You will most likely be presented with a confirmation asking if you want to reset the network. This will erase any saved Wi-Fi passwords and restore the network settings to their factory defaults. Your TV will show a message acknowledging this change. Carefully read any prompts. After the reset, your TV will either prompt you to choose your Wi-Fi network again and enter your password, or re-establish an Ethernet connection. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're connected, test your internet access with your streaming apps. You should be good to go and back to Bing watching in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.